Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can repair cracks in your concrete. Before I proceed further, if you're not subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. So guys, cracks especially in foundation and other concrete areas are very common, but yes, you should fix it before it turns into something bigger. So what I'm going to use, of course, I'm going to put a sealant, or you can say filler, to seal the cracks, but before that you need to make the cracks ready. So the very first thing, I have used a wire brush and I'm gonna clean this area to make it free from debris. If you have like grass or something that happens generally on your walkway or driveway, there you may have to remove them. Okay, first make it clean, okay, as good as you can, so that when you put the sealer liquid inside it, it bonds. Okay, because if it's filled with debris, soil, dust, the bonding may not be good, and then later on it will again resurface in a different shape. So that's not what you want. Okay, so of course I won't hold you till I do this. Okay, but yes, once this is done, next is gonna wash it. Pressure wash is good, and let it dry. So I'm gonna do those things and then I'm gonna see you guys. Okay guys, so those things are done. Now I'm gonna put this what do you call, crack filler, concrete crack filler. This is from DAB brand. You'll get so many of these things at your local hardware store, but it again depends upon various factors like your usage and other things, and you just need to follow the crack along. Okay, and then like the one I'm using is not self-leveling. If it's a self-leveling, then you don't need to worry about. So now after it is done, we'll use a putty knife to level it. Okay, so just stay with me. When you do caulking, make sure the angle you have made cut, it fits directly to the crack, and you have to maintain uniform pressure when you move it along the cracks or wherever you want to do the filling. Once you are done with the caulking, depending upon the type of material used, you may need to level it if it's not self-leveling. So the easiest thing that you can use is a putty knife. Make sure you have filled correctly. If you find some spots where you have not filled nicely, there's no harm in doing it once more before you actually declare the job as over. But it's only to the areas where you feel it's not done nicely. Like I do see some gaps, okay, here. So I'm just gonna slightly fill here. Yeah, that should be more than enough. Yeah, perfect. Same thing here also I can do. Here also I see some. Perfect. So that is how it works, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.